I will give you a new prayer. Why? For the revival of the health of your wife, for the hygiene, spiritual hygiene, not physical hygiene, for spiritual hygiene of your wife. Come to me tomorrow in the morning. And Babji, in the early morning of 4th February 1935, this was the incident of 3rd February, evening after sunset. And Babji got up in the early morning on 4th February 1935 and invoked the divinity of Swami Vasudevanand Saraswati. You can call, if you can rightly dial, then your voice can reach to your destination. If you can rightly set on TV, your TV channel, the right TV station and the right picture comes to your screen. Though your screen is a very small screen and the box is an idiot box, is a plastic box, but still, if you can operate it rightly, it can bring you the right results. If you can operate your soul rightly, it can also bring you the right results. If you can dial with the means of your soul, the extraordinary lok, the extraordinary divine, the extraordinary invisible divine can come down on the earth before you. A prayer, a master act, a king idea can link the strength of the soul to the force of the transcendent. Magic leverage is suddenly caught and miracle becomes the common rule. Sri Aurobindo has written. Leverage is suddenly caught. Magic leverage. Our leverage is a magic leverage. We should not take it for granted that it is just an ordinary human body going to die. It is representative of super reality, and super power is living within. It has to be awakened. Babji did it on 4th February 1935. Vasudevanand Swami Maharaj presented himself before him. Nrusi Saraswati Swami Maharaj presented himself before him. And Sripad Vallabh Swami also present. Trinity is one. They all presented before him. And Rang Avadhut Babji prayed to them. It's not my prayer. It's not that I am praying for myself. It's not prayer that I want to get rid of my riddles and difficulties and problems. It is for my bhakta. It is for my shishya. It is for my disciple. Ramakrishna suffered from cancer because Ramakrishna did not commit any crimes or any sins in his previous birth. It was all accumulated crimes and accumulated sins of his disciples that in this present life Ramakrishna. That is what this duality, because Guru of Indian spirituality is not meant for India, nor meant for Indians, is meant for the entire human race. So he can invite miseries, troubles, tortures, harassments, problems, riddles and whatnot from all over the world. That is what also Rang Avadhut Babji invited all such things, invited disciples, invited their destinies, invited their riddles and problems, and ultimately Rang Avadhut Babji, undergoing the tremendous sadhana, ultimately solved their problems. And thousands of incidents are there, well recorded in the history and life of Bapuji, Das Kaka, Master Kaka, Suman Bhai, Modi Kaka, where Vasanti Ben in the early morning told us. So there are thousands and thousands of incidents, recorded and unrecorded, but this is the very nature of the divine on the earth. This is the universal nature of the divine on the earth, and that is what Babji did it. Babji started writing the very first line written by Rang Avadhut Babji in Datta Bhavani. Datta Bhavani is not merely a stavan, is not merely a prarthana, is not merely a prayer, is not merely something that is for all of us to recite mechanically. It is the scientific formula to bring our mind to our consciousness. It is a scientific formula to take our mental consciousness concentrated and to get it surrendered to the psychic, to our soul. So our soul will replace our mind and our soul will start working in place of our mind. Then death can be conquered. So it's a Sanjeevani. It's a master formula to conquer death and demise on the earth for human race. Thereafter 40 lines were completed. Babaji wanted Brahmanism is a religion of Atma, and Atma Tattva of Rang Avadhut Babaji in this human cabinet of Pandurang Vadame got itself so heightened up that ultimately that intensity of his Atma invoked the presence of his trinity of Gurus, Vasudevanand Swami Maharaj, Nrsi Saraswati Swami Maharaj, Sripad Vallabh Swami Maharaj, and ultimately from the trinity as such came from the super trinity of Lord Dattatreya, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. That super trinity also came down on the earth, and he could see with his own physical eyes that his three gurus also were present there to bless, and Lord himself who made them gurus, who made them incarnation, who made them divine. Vasudevanand was born as human being, Sripad Vallabh was born as human being, Nrsi Saraswati was born as human being, but they were divinized completely by Lord Dattatreya, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. So the sanction, super sanction was granted to them, and the entire channel has been so operated that the words coming out from the mouth of Rang Avadhut Babaji are the words coming out from his three gurus, and ultimately the words coming out from Lord Dattatreya himself. And Lord Dattatreya himself is a Prakruti of infinity. In Datta Puran, Babaji also got the signal, as Bapuji got the signal of 122 on 18 days after the departure of Rang Avadhut Babaji. Similarly, it is a divine. It's an interaction of the divine with the human being. So the interaction between divine and the human being was common. It was there, it is still there, and it is going to be there forever. Right? So the signal that Rang Avadhut Babaji got and started composing further onwards from 40 lines to the 52 and completed 52 lines of Datta Bhavani as Sanjeevani, formula for immortality to be realized. And the last line composed by Rang Avadhut Babaji is Tapsi Tatvamasi Dev Bolo Jai Jai Sri Guru Dev. Tapsi, you are this. I became Rang Avadhut. I became Lord Krishna in human form. I became Lord Krishna in the form of Dattatreya. I became Lord Krishna in the form of divine Prakriti of Dattatreya. I became Lord Krishna in the form of divine Prakriti of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Tapsi, you also can attain this stage provided you will go on this line. It means this is not my exceptional experience. It is my experience which is meant for the human race. It is very common for all of you. Just try. You just sincerely put it into practice. Then you also will realize. It's not merely a hallucination, nor merely a wishful thinking. It's not merely a blind faith. It's a concrete science of tomorrow. And as Pothi Vaj was the signal given to Rang Avadhut Babaji. What is that Pothi? Pothi was the definition, scientific definition of Guru Dattatreya's Prakruti, the nature of Bhagavan Dattatreya. The matter, as we are of human matter, our stuff is human stuff, whereas the stuff of Lord Dattatreya is a divine stuff. It is Satchidanand. It is Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar, Adhama Udharan Taru Naam, Brahma Harihar No Avatar. That is what Babaji himself has written in Datta Bhavani. You know all. That is the Prakriti, that is the nature, very nature of Lord Dattatreya. And it came down before Rangavdut Babji. And Datt Bhavani is completed. Tapsi, you also can have this experience. I experienced, but you also can have. So through Tapsi, Rangavdut Babji guaranteed all of us, east and west, to have the same experience. If we sincerely try, we can have the same experience of Rangavdut Babji in the temple of Sahij and in the early morning thereafter. Being the structure of Datt Bhavani of